Hello guys, and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to switch between 12-hour display and 24-hour display, so military time, on your Casio G-Shock watch that is powered by the module 5081. This is the Casio G-Shock GA100, but it's going to work for a bunch of Casio G-Shock watches as well. So all you need to do is to press and hold the adjust button for around 3-4 seconds. You are going to hear a small beep. Here we have the home city. Now I'm going to use the mode button in order to toggle between different options. I'm going to press it once. Now here we have the DST function. I'm going to press the mode button once again. And here we have the 12-hour display right here. And you need to press the forward button once in order to switch to the 24-hour display. As you can see, now we have 13 instead of 1 p.m. If you press it once again, it is going to switch to 12-hour display, and if you press it again, once again at 24-hour. In order to end the process, we are going to press the adjust button and we are done. We now have the 24 hours, so the military time, displayed on our Casio G-Shock watch module 5081. So that was the quick tutorial, guys. In case you found value, make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel, like the video, leave a comment. I'm also going to make a full guide on the Casio G-Shock watch with the module 5081 in case you want to know all the functions and features on our Casio G-Shock watch. Link in the description box below. And until next time, guys, all the best, subscribe, and I'm going to see you on the next one.